Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As some of you know, I am in Guatemala, so this is my new setup for Guatemala. Today I want to be showing you 3 easy heart hairstyles for your Valentine's Day date night. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Thanks for watching.
For the first hairstyle, we're going to part the hair down the middle, then just taking a section from the back, adding a clear elastic, then adding some hair cream, and then we're going to do like a topsy tail, pull the hair under and up, and then we're going to pull on it to make it a little bit tighter, then twisting toward the head, and then adding an elastic at the bottom. This is going to make the heart shape. Now I'm just going to kind of pin it after I wrap the elastic on the end. I'm just going to pin the heart to the head and then adding a clip just to hold it in place as I gather the rest of the hair, and then putting a ponytail holder. Taking out the clip, and now I'm going to make a twist braid on the bottom. Add a clear elastic on the end, and then you're just going to take the hair and twist it up and around. If you have really long hair like me, I like to tie my hair in a knot, making a bun just to hold it better. Then taking the ends and just twisting it underneath the bun, and then just adding a few hairpins. And that's the first style. Now the second style is going to be a lot easier. I'm just going to make a side part. You can part it down the middle or on the side, just however you like it. Then taking a piece on the smaller side, I'm going to add a clear elastic a little bit past the ear, and then I'm going to make another topsy tail, going under and over. Then just tightening it up a little bit, taking the hair, split it into 2, twist it, and then just make your heart. Add a clear elastic at the end, make sure you give enough room for the heart shape. And then just pushing it up and making sure you pin it and making sure the heart stays, it keeps its shape. I like to pin up where the 2 curves are, and there. How cute is this? And it's really easy. The third one, you're going to take hair cream. I'm adding quite a bit. You can add hairspray, hair cream, just whatever you like best, just to keep the flyaways in place. Brushing it toward the back, I'm making a mid ponytail in the very back. Then I'm just going to wrap the ponytail. I like to use this accessory. It's really easy to make the wrap ponytail stay better. Then I'm going to make a bubble, just one. Pull on the bubble, then I'm going to wrap it. Then just adding the topsy tail thing, I don't know what you call those things. And now I'm going to take a little piece from the back, and I'm going to add a little clear elastic, just a hair down. And now we're going to make another heart. After we wrap it, I'm going to wrap this one again, just to kind of hide the clear elastic. It looks a lot cleaner that way. Now make another topsy tail, going under, and then making the heart again. Add a clear elastic at the end, make sure that you pin the heart. Add another clear elastic, basically making another bubble, but it's going to have the heart on the bubble. Pull on the heart just a little, just to keep its shape, making sure it's got the shape that you want, and then you're going to wrap the clear elastic again.
Your love is a lie. I got to be right here. It's something that I have to do. I wanna just run to you, baby. Nothing will ever keep me apart.
Thank you for watching these 3 easy Valentine's Day hairstyles. Hope you all enjoyed. Let me know if you try one out. Don't forget to subscribe below if you're new to my channel. And go see me on Instagram. I would love to have more conversations with you guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.